Every year, hundreds of thousands of kilos of drugs are smuggled across the U.S. border. A large majority of this smuggling occurs on fast, stealthy vessels called narco boats. There are three kinds of narco boats: that go fast, that go slow, and the narco sub.
I got the Narco! I got the Narco! Ah!
Each vessel embodies some idea of stealth, speed, or both. The go-fast boats gained popularity in the 80s. The basic idea? Outrun the feds. Smugglers would outfit the boats with as much horsepower as possible, fill the covered hull with fuel and drugs, and go as fast as possible. The go-slow boat's basic principle? Fool the feds. The idea is to blend in with other fishing vessels, slowly making their way across the border. Sometimes, stealth is better than speed. The narco sub, or semi-submersible vessel, is by far the most complicated. These unique vessels combine a level of speed and stealth gliding just below the ocean's surface, making themselves practically invisible to radar and the human eye. A single narco sub can carry upwards of 10 tons of cargo, an estimated $400 million worth of narcotics. But can a narco boat outrun the military? We put it to the test with Captain Russell Moore and his custom rib used to train the U.S. Marines.
All right, I'm Russell Moore from Marine Safety Solutions. I'm here today with a rigid inflatable boat that we're going to use to demonstrate the capabilities of this boat against a narco boat. These boats are solid, they're fast, a 300 horsepower motor, a 23-degree dead rise. This boat tops out at 45 miles an hour and is extremely maneuverable. It should be a good comparison against a narco boat.
So we made our own go-fast narco boat on a narco budget. By outfitting a panga with a fast outboard motor, filled the hull with big paraphernalia and enough fuel to cross borders, and a trained driver dressed in disguise to see if we can outrun the military. Captain Russell, on patrol, spots the narco boat. With a head start, Captain Russell takes off but quickly closes the gap. Seemingly equal match until the narco boat takes a hard turn. The panga hole is too long and narrow and can't make sharp turns like the military rib. The rib's superior maneuverability ends the chase as fast as it started.
Alto! Alto tu barco! Alto! Alto!
The narco boat didn't stand a chance.
Oh, I got you now, buddy.
Now that is a lot of coke.
We got a live grenade!